Machine is designed for perfume and wine filling, with double layers design filling nozzles. Vacuum equal liquid level filling system. Fully pneumatic drives, safety filling for liquid product contains alcohol. World-famous brand pneumatic components. Perfect filling system and machine design for perfume. Machine is adjustable for different size of bottles. Small design, easy to operate. Machine is CE certificated and meets the GMP standard. Factory direct sales, and we have 2 years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase.